யாரு யாரா அது?
பாஸ், மொட்டை பாஸ்.
இங்க எதுக்கு வந்த?
திருப்பி கொடுக்க. புரியல? ಶಿವಾಜಿಯ ಕೊನ್ನದು ನೀದಾ.
ಧನು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ತೂಪಿನ ಮಾತರೆಗಳ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸೋಲು ಮೇಲು. ಸೊ ಎಂಕಲ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಒಂಜಿ ತುಳುನಾಡದ ಪೆರ್ಮೆದ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಲಾವಿದೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇರು. ಸೊ ತುಳುನಾಡು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅತ್ತು ದೇಶಾಂತರ ಪೋದು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಪುದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಲ್ತದು. ಇನಿ ಎಂಕಲ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಒಂಜಿ ಪಾಲ್ ಪಡೆಯೋರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಊರುಡ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ಮ ಪುಟ್ಟಿನ ಭೂಮಿ ತುಳುನಾಡು ಬುಡ್ದು ಇನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಬೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಪನಂಚಿತ್ತಿನ ಊರು ಮಸ್ಕತ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಂಕಲ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಉಲ್ಲೇರು ಸುಮನ್ ಸರ್.
हम सॉरी बोल रहे हैं और तू घूरे जा रहा है. हाँ? तू मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ पाएगा. दिग्विजय पाटिल ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं ब्रांड है, ब्रांड.
So sir, first of all welcome to Muscat and on behalf of Dhanu Vlogs we welcome you. Sir irada enkal kenrettande. So how was your journey from Tulunadu to movie industry and how did you feel the hospitality and how did you feel about Muscat?
Muscat, this is the first visit, but talked about my journey. I don't come from a film industry, and film family or film connections, drama, whole age. Right. And mother was a principal of a college, Chennai. The father, he was working as Indian Oil Corporation manager, so nothing to do with films.
Yes.
When the police department of the connection with in the relations, father and side, they were all related to police department. Ate.
Okay.
But this is something which I feel is divine rule or divine order that I should join films. It's like ini 2 year immediately I am the hero of a film, Tamil. It is hard to believe. Talent unda, ijja, and the only thing I was a karate black belt. So they saw me and karate class deppuna apur observe maltadu a director T.R. Ramanna bandu, the Tamil director. R MGR la Shivaji Ganeshan la 20 ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪಾಡ್ದಿ only one person who took that film.
Lovely, fantastic.
So great experience, working with MGR and Shivaji those days. So Arna Kannada, Suman is the hero for your film. But Arna Manasuru Burundu. Yan Surut reject Malta. I didn't jump. Anaga talent is jink. Then comes the backing. Who's going to back me? So he'll introduce me, but backing and chavan. And pura itna enna pura kulvande ji ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಆಫರ್ ವೈ ಆರ್ ರಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದು ಪಂಡೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲಾಡ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮದರ್ ಶಿ ಎಂಕರೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಇನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಸೈಡ್ ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಐ ನ್ಯೂ ದ ಪೇನ್. ಪನ್ನಾಗ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಆಂಡಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಂಚ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಕೊಡು ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೇಟ್. ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪಗೆ ಅಂದಾದ ಮಲ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಾಂಡೆ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ಬೈಯಾಗ picture ನಾಟಕ ಪೊತ್ತೂಪಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ. ಅಂಚೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ 1977 ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ 47th year. ಐ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ 175 films ಆಸ್ ಎ ಹೀರೋ, 100 in Telugu, 50 in Tamil, 25 in Kannada. The rest and all character artists, 11 languages I have finished. Tamil, fantastic. Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Oriya, Bhojpuri, Banjaran, now Tulu, and one English film. So this is all unplanned. Yes. Ittalasi, for my age, now also I am getting roles, which are much younger to my age.
Yes.
They want me to do it, action, all that. So I am doing. It's going on. So I feel my mother did lot of service for poor people. College to pura sumar badevar jokle pura edda kalpanakle pura khas kordu salary pura kordu akle exam fees korditte. Ijana enna hiriyarna kuldadana maltena onji punya yaanennu bakka yaani muran maikila pandette enka namma ಊರದ onji ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮಿದೆ ಕೊಂಚ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಉಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರದ ನಾಗದ ಐತ whatever modernization ಬತ್ತನ್ಲ ಅವಳು ಬತ್ತದ ಒಂಜಿ ತರದಿದು ಪೋನಾಗ ಐಕೊಂಜಿ ಬಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಉಂಡು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಚ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಎನ್ನ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್. ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಸೇ ನೋ ಟು ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ನೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್. ಅವು ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಉಂದುದಾಯ ಹೌದಾಯ ಉಂದಾಯ ಬಂದು. Then comes the costume, all that. If all that is okay, I go. it doesn't suit me, I say don't put me. Because I uncomfortably I cannot work.
Correct.
Nickler rules you keep it, put somebody else. I can't. I will not disturb the story, but I should not be disturbed.
Yes.
So this is how I go, and Posa director andala, I keep my hands folded. So whatever he says, I do. Because he knows the entire story. So yeah, ekcha akmal poda, kammi akmal poda, scene do, apura akle gut. So I have done small budget, big budget and all that. So I can proudly say 4 films in Telugu have run 1 year each.
Wow, that's really
The
commendable.
police officer role and all that. Rest and all 200 days, 150 days, 100 days. See, success just came, but I became a competitor to many people. I was not for competition.
Yes, yes.
ఆదిశేష్ అంటే బొట్టు పెట్టుకుని దద్దోజనం తింటాడనుకున్నావా? పాత పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ రికార్డ్స్ తీసి చూడు. ఆదిరా, అంబర్పేట ఆది లేపేస్తా. అయ్యో ఉదయ్.
Because young tikkinane malla chance. But without my knowledge, I became a competitor to many people. Tamil, Telugu, Puranchapur. And my main superstar or whatever star, Battine enku Telugu. Telugu audience gave me the support, platform, my fans. And that's what I said. I'm a Hindu, talking about Hinduism, but I respect all religions. Muslim, Christian, because in the technicians, pura, they're all from different religions. So I will not say Hindu is great today just because I'm in a good position.
Yes.
So I now forget the people who helped me, my fans, my producers, my directors to bring me to this position. Because I was nothing, today I'm something. So I always look back before going forward. So now so how do we maintain it? Plus respecting everybody and fan following purundu. And Devarna Dayatanku Tirupati Venkateshwara Swami na onji character battundu, Sri Ramana battundu. Anchinapura battida boka regular romantic action track onji divine track battundu.
Oh, okay.
Which was accepted. It Devarna vesha pura paduver, but people have to accept.
Yes.
They should feel thona Devar laka ulleru vandu feel varod. Avu onji picture to start adi continuously ittenche panaga Devarna picture min ittana first enanake panaga makeup paadu point attu. Yeah, I thought I have got some contribution. I sleep on the ground, then I go bare feet, a vegetarian, no family life until the movie is over. Apura malpunetu, I think there is some kind of a vibration which enters into the body and screened bannaga that look, the divine look. Avu varpundo. Divine character ovu maltane ananchayan sola maltandulle. So these are all achievements, and the biggest achievement is sitting with the President of India, Shankar Dayal Sharma, in Rashtrapati Bhavan, in a theatre like this, including Piravadu Chief of Army, Navy, Air Force, CBI Director Karthikeyan, watching this movie, having breakfast with them, having lunch with them.
Yes.
That is the biggest achievement. Yes. I think, I don't know, so God has given me today, in expert multi-national, so I am contented. Now what I am doing films with lot of messages.
Yes.
For the youth, for the country, for the
Public.
Pura no ottiga podu, because idi prapanchodi the world war is starting in a code. But 2030 I think there will be a world war. So India, how it is going to, unless we all unite together, all communities, all caste, if we all unite together, we can be strong. Nammule mulu war ittanda, it will go to India, will go to pieces. So this way I am telling the youth, you are the next after us, you are the people. So think before you do something. But see, the country is strong. In martial arts, I am promoting, but teaching girls martial arts, because the law and order situation is very bad. So girls who are 6-7 years are being raped and no punishment. Yes. The constitution has to change. Punishment has to become severe. What is the point?
Yes.
Prati illadu ni ponnulla. All college podu, school podu, kelsa podu. All fourth barnate parents ulayed dada akle dada apun bandu. Each family knows the pain. So how long can they do? So we are telling all the girls, you learn martial arts. And Badevar Joklepura, we are giving free coaching. We are not taking money. Ithinakle just for maintenance, for current, for cleaning. Minimum fees we are taking for girls. But that is now my mission is, I started already, it's 4-5 years now, and we have achieved a lot. We've got a lot of girls who have got black belts. And not only karate, in judo, krav maga, all martial arts. Pure itle anulla, I mean everything. And all over in India, we have got a lot of branches, especially in Andhra and Telangana. I got the best batch who is promoting martial art, who is teaching martial art.
And this martial arts club is having any name?
Different names. Because karate, there are 7 world styles. So it's like Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Kathak. So 7 styles, we say whichever style you want to take. So like we're not forcing it, but we're only forcing that please learn.
Yes.
Don't be a victim to such scoundrels. And and then next is drugs. So drugs is that we can't do, but I'm telling people who are taking drugs, see, think once. If you're drinking, your liver gets spoiled, your liver may be removed, or you drink and you fall down. But if you take drugs, it affects the brain. So your brain goes out of order, and so upperman kirpina tension intention la varpun. Next, illadonji ponnu madme goppal. When you drug addict na megdi gaadu akka gaadu korodu yaralla korpera. So when you ponna life la hal malporu, upperman pudarla hal malporu. Akla aata kashtavattu nikle mundu maltini, this is what you're going to give. And there is nothing you achieve. If you think by taking drug you are going to, when you problem open panna, it's wrong. Problem will remain there only for half an hour or 1 hour, but you are crippling your brain, you are crippling yourself. Devar kortino porlu roopana aven lagadi nikulu and giving bad name to the parents. So why you want to do it? Be fit, be strong, and if there's a sister at home, big or small, let her get married. And keep the father's, mother's name. As long as they are alive, don't give a bad name and don't kannir korda aged malpu. That drive I am saying, police wants my message, I am giving message. Andhra Telangana police. Recently I was in Gujarat also. Okay. So Gujarat police also wanted me to give a message. Super. The SP. So I am doing that. Inside I am a social service going on. I was in politics with Chandrababu Naidu. Okay. When Vajpayee was there. Apaga, Naxalites, terrorism, factionism, communism, all was there. Bomb attacks, all that was there. I worked. Then politics did not suit my work. Meetings, so I came out, but still my support is for Chandrababu Naidu. Okay. Even today also I give a lot of videos and all that. And politics BJP party, I am supporting the BJP party. Super. That's it.
Super. So yeah, no, must questions cared on the end, but he answered everything. So one particular message in highlight malpe, he very clearly told that united we stay strong, but divided we fall. So this is something ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತ ತುಳುವೆ ರತ್ತನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಕ್ಕಲು ಭಾರತದಕ್ಕಲು ವಾಚ್ ಮಲ್ಪನಕ್ಕಲು ಒಂದೇನೊಂಜಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಲ್ತನೋಡು ಒಕ್ಕ ಎಂಕಲ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಪ್ಪುಂಡು. ಸೊ ಆ ಐನ್ಲ ಎಂಕಲು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಲ್ತದೆ ಎಂಕಲ ಅಪ್ಪೆಮ್ಮನ ಪುದರ್ನ ಮಿತ್ತುಕನೋಡು ತುಳುನಾಡು ಪುಟ್ಟಿನ ಏರೆಗ್ಲ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಆಯ ದೇಶದ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತದ ವಾಮೂಲೆಗೆ ಪೋಂಡಲ ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಆಪೆ ಆಯನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪಂಪಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಯಿನ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್ ಎಂಕಲೊಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಇರ್ನ ವ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಲ್ತಿನಕ್ಕೆ.
Dhanulogs gets all the best. Happy New Year and stay good.